Right, Saturday, March 2nd, I think it is. Saturday. And Dad's doing a little grinding here, helping out the apprentice with his machine. And they've got quite a bit of work done here already. I think they got the big chunks of the floor out. When I was here yesterday, the apprentice was vacuuming all the stuff up. But everything is out from here. And I didn't realize just how narrow it is for working in here. But some interesting things here on the dashboard. I don't know what all these are, but apparently they are going to do something. Yeah, it's a 48 Woody, and they're still working on stuff. Back here, Dad is got the apprentice doing his work, putting his own stuff on.
A good guy to get along with.
Yeah, no fighting.
Even lets me do something once in a while.
Oh, well, that's good.
Have a hard time keeping up.
Yeah, well, put 20 more years in, then you could tell him what to do. But everything's laid out here, all ready for cleaning and sorting and fixing and whatnot. And first glance, a lot of the stuff looks okay, but I'm sure there's going to be further inspection here. But this is what I like seeing, is everything organized. And again, everything's laid out, so it's not all over the place. It's one in one place. So these guys are playing nice, which I'm really surprised at, because Dad's not known for playing nice with everybody. But quite a bit of work done here by these guys in the week, and Dad is just pointing out what needs to be done, takes over the odd job here and there, and then apprentice takes over, frees up Dad to work on the blue Minnesota narrow gauge. And we got to check in with Dad to see what he's done here, because I don't want him stopping to do that job when he needs to be focused in on this one. And like the customer for this one here is definitely going to want progress and progress videos. But I do see Dad's got a few extra pieces on here, but as soon as he's done doing what he's doing over here with the apprentice, I'll make sure that we do another update on this video. That's for doing some grinding on that bumper to make everything fit there again, because they had some welding, over-welding, and he won't be able to fit in those ski arms. So just doing a little bit of grinding here to get it all ready. So it's Sunday, March 3rd, and the owner of the wooden Bombardier, we told him to take Sunday off because Dad needed to start putting effort back into this. I guess I thought anyways, he was maybe helping him too much this week, which is fine. Like, Dad can do whatever he wants, and he's trying to get this guy helped out, but I really need Dad focused in on this Bombardier, because this customer was here first, and so the other guy is going to show up again tomorrow. But it's late in the afternoon here, and we've got a shop full of dogs like normal. Peter's over there. Hi, Peter. And we got Mila from next door, and we got Charles, who spent the night here like normal. Daisy went next door last night to sleep with the neighbors.
I made a shaft here. I got those pedals in.
Oh, wow. And, okay. No fooling around.
This was broke off. This gusset was broke off to hold so I had to make one and weld it in there.
Okay.
Now he's got too much welded here. I got to cut that much off for both of these.
Okay. So, you said earlier Dad had too much material there, and he's just going to cut it off. And but we're going to check in to see what else he's got going on here. And let him finish doing this. My old dog, King Charles. Don't like all this activity with the cat in the shop, eh? Stressing you out. Better lay down.